Okay, write a program in machine 1 to evaluate the following expression. Use the same expression. So z is equal to x into y plus b divided by c into p. We have to evaluate this expression using machine 1. So only one address we have to use. First multiply solution here. Solution mul x. Mul x means one accumulator is not visible here, but that is the accumulator. This means x data is transferred multiplied by accumulator into snow. So first you have to transfer the x into the accumulator. That means multiply is not used here, only LDA. LDA means you are transferring the value of x to accumulator. LDA x, you are using only one, so the value of x will be transferred to accumulator. Okay? So next step, mul y. Mul y means the value of x is in accumulator. Then multiply y means here AC accumulator AC into y. That means here AC means x. X value is transferred to AC. So it is multiplied and result is stored in x. Next statement, transfer the result of this in another operand that will be used later on. Otherwise, every time the content of calculator will be replaced after each operation. Then STA, you can assume in. So M tends to the data from accumulator transfer to M. Okay. Next LDA B. Now the accumulator's value is the value of B transferred to accumulator, and the previous value replaced. And you have already copied the value previous value to M. That will be used later on. See another statement. Next statement. First you have to load it, then deep C. That means accumulator is divided by C and the value of accumulator is equivalent to B. So AC tends to AC divided by B. So B value, sorry, C. So C, B value in accumulator. So accumulator divided by C means you are dividing the value of B by C. Then next, simply perform the addition. Simply. So add, that is in the result already, comma M. Sorry, M. Why are you storing? Because you have to add, see the logic. If you are storing it, the one instruction will be more. So cost will be high. Right now, so it is possible to add the content of B divided by C by plus x into y, and x into y is stored in where? M. So add M means accumulator plus, in accumulator you know here AC by C, B by C, and added to M. M is x into y. Another, now you have to multiply by P. Whole result is multiplied by P. So simply you can use mul P, that means AC tends to AC into P, and last HAL P halt. So this is the program using only one. Okay, now you have to store in a Z. Na? So STA Z. So entire result is stored in Z, and then you can use HLT, H alt, or it is not mandatory you can write or you can't write.
सर्किट डिजाइन ही हम करते हैं या सर्किट डिजाइन होने के बाद कुछ जो ये कर रहे हैं मशीन
These are designed at the time of designing the company. Yes, or you can use as a simulator to change.
सर ये 808 टाइपिंग पे है
हाँ बिल्कुल सेम, हर इंस्ट्रक्शंस का अपना फॉर्मेट अलग अलग होता है. 8085 का अलग होगा इंस्ट्रक्शन से, एंड पेंटियम का अलग और सबका अपना अलग अलग होता है. इट इज डिसाइडेड एट द टाइम ऑफ डिजाइनिंग द. क्लियर? Another kind of machines, that is a stack based machine, there only zero address format used. That is known as machine zero. Means there is no operand. There is no operand. So see here, a stack based machine. A stack based machine, there is no operand. Operand is not used. So you can say zero address format. Or machine zero address format, or you can say machine 1, sorry, machine 0, you can say machine 0. You have to use here the concept of a stack, that is the concept of data structure. A stack is a kind of data structure in which insertion and deletion both can take place from only one side, that is known as the top. Suppose you want to insert an item, then top equal to top plus 1. And if you want to delete an item from a stack, that is top equal to top minus 1. So that will be used here to write the program. That concept will be used. So on a stack, there are three types of operations are performed on the stack. First one, push, to put the element into the stack. Another, pop, to delete an item from the stack. And third one, that is P, to access the ith element of a stack. But we will use here only two operations, push and pop, to write the program, because you don't want to use the operand, any operand. Without operand, you have to write the program. That's why you can say it is a zero machine or zero address. Suppose you have to evaluate the same expression as in the previous one. So write a program in machine 0, write a program in machine 0, write a program in machine 0, or 0 address for. 0 address for. Same problem here. Z is equal to x into y plus b by c into. Clear? So first you have to push the value of, put the operand x, y, perform the operation. So push x. That means this is the step x. So top is t equal to t plus 1. This is the top.
Yes,
And if you are going to add, so t equal to top equal to top plus 1. So here. So this is the top. Then the next on step. One is POP top, another next on top. Next on top.
Yes.
First top, and after that next will be the next on top. So how can you put x? Then again push y, y. Now you have to pop one, means multiply. So mul simply. So mul means it will take top top, that is equal to top is equal to top top into s next of top means इसको full pop किया and next on this pop from the state and multiply with next on the state and the result is stored here. So the structure here, the state is now x is into 1.
सर एनओएस की जगह टॉप माइनस वन नहीं है।
That may be as per your choice. So next on step. So suppose you push the x here, okay, then you push y. So this is the step, this is the top element, and this is the next on the top. Next on the step, okay. Next on the top you can say. So NOS and next on the step. So that is if you are using mul, so the top element and next element will be multiplied. Then the step will be like this: x star y. And now on the top x into y. Then again push b next on step. Next on step. That is top and next to top. Okay. So push b, then push c. No, that will be here, no? B, B and pop c divide by b. Then what will happen? C by b.
Yes.
Top,
Yes, sir.
pop top divide by b. So first you have to push c, then b. You have to remember this thing. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In a take आपने देखा होगा evaluation, expression evaluation in the stack.
Yes.
That is the application. In fixed expression evaluation. Then in that case you pop, use the operator, then the next one perform the addition or any addition, subtraction, multiplication, any operation, and again the result will be pushed into the stack. Clear?
Yes.
So then D. Okay?
Yes.
Then D. The stack will be like this: x star y and b divided by c. B divided by c. Okay? Then next statement, you have to perform the addition of x star y with b by c. Means x star y plus b divided by
Sir,
c.
C
C and okay. Then the next deep. Okay. So the result will be like this. The result will be next step. That will be here after execution of this instruction. X star y b divided by
simply add.
simply add. Then you can add. Okay. So after the addition, this x star y plus b by
सर कोई ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म करने पे पॉप भी होता है क्या? ये नीचे क्यों आ रहा है? वो नीचे आ
जस्ट पॉप होगा आपका ऑपरेशन हुआ तो एक हो गया एलिमेंट
हाँ
वन एलिमेंट हो
पॉप हो जाता है
तो पॉप होगा रिजल्ट ओके देन नेक्स्ट addition then perform the just perform the addition to add so after addition this is next to multiply by b huh?
नेक्स्ट स्टेप में
This is the next step back नया स्टेप होगा डेफिनेटली नया स्टेप होगा जगह नहीं थी इसलिए मैंने लिख दिया so that will be now on x star y plus b by c. This is the next one. Okay. Next, to multiply by.
50.
So simply push P, push P, then this will be like this one, push P, and again mul, then it is multiplied and stored in Aston.
सर अगर लास्ट में मल्टीप्लाई के डिवाइड आ जाएगा क्या होगा?
मल्टीप्लाई की जगह पे
डिवाइड आ जाएगा
कहाँ पे?
मतलब एक्सप्रेशन है एक्सप्रेशन मतलब उल्टा हो जाएगा मतलब जैसे टी
जस्ट एक रिवर्स हो जाएगा,
तो डिवाइड आएगा जैसे
डिवाइड.
तो हमें पहले
In the case of multiplication, x multiply y or multiply y, no okay. But in the case of division, there will be. But in the program, try to use in the proper sequence. You have to think before putting and pushing the element into the S. You have to take care of it. Right now?
डिवीजन भी होता है तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा
But division में फर्क पड़ता है. B divided by C,
ये लास्ट में है ना इक्वेशन बी
that is not problem. If B divided by C and C divided by B, there is a lot of difference.
ये पहले वाला एक्सप्रेशन नीचे है और बी लास्ट में आएगा तो डिवीजन तो
did you know that all of the first you have to perform the operation within the bracket. First you have to use the bracket, then multiplication and division at the same time. Addition and the last priority to minus. But you have to perform first the operand within the bracket. Bracket operation will be take place first. Okay. So now clear. Then pop Z, or you can leave here, that is complete program. So it's all about the machine program, machine 0, machine 1, machine 2 and machine 3.